Hey, what's up guys, and in this video we will be working up with our e-commerce website. Okay, you can see that as in the previous video we actually created all these templates that we have and we applied all these templates on our website. Okay, I showed you how you can go ahead and how you can just apply all these templates on your website so that your website looks amazing. Okay, even to go to blog, you can see we just created this right here, and then we can just open this up, and then you can see this is how it's working. So now we will be just taking a new step further, and we will be integrating our site. Okay, and I'm going to tell you how you can integrate your site with the e-commerce functionality and how you can design that as well. So let's go ahead and let's install the WooCommerce plugin that you guys already know. If you don't know about the WooCommerce, then do go to my previous sections above and do complete the e-commerce section and then come up here. Otherwise, if you don't know about e-commerce, if you don't know about WooCommerce, and you don't know about an online shop, then you will not understand this, because we will be going very much fast in this, just like creating our store. So let's go ahead and let's build our store. First of all, what you have to do, you have to hit add new in the plugins, and then we have to go and we have to install the WooCommerce plugin. Let me just go to the popular plugin, and since this is the most popular plugin, I can find that WooCommerce plugin in the popular tab. Here you can see this is the WooCommerce plugin. I'm just going to hit install now, and this plugin is going to be installed, and then I will hit activate to actually activate this plugin. So here you can see this is the window that is right here. It says the following wizard will help you. You can go ahead and you can add some address here. You can add some dummy content here, and then you can go ahead and you can hit just like I would like to go, and I would like to hit let's go. Okay, you'll be taken to the new page where it's just going to ask you for the payment information. You can just select anything. I'm just going to be just unchecking both of them, and I'm just going to be opening up only the cash on delivery. Okay, I'm just going to be hitting the continue, and then we'll be working over the shipping. We'll be just using the default settings for the shipping. Okay, so we'll just hit continue right now. Okay, and then we'll be working up with this recommended that we have. So it says storefront theme, it says automated Texas, it says MailChimp. Okay, so it totally doesn't matter what theme you are using. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's hit continue for right now. Okay, and then you can see it says Jetpack. You just have to go ahead and you have to hit skip this setup. Okay, so we'll be just clicking skip this setup, and you can see now we are totally ready. You can go ahead and you can hit visit dashboard, and you will be actually taken to the dashboard. So now what we have to do, we have to go and we have to actually use the dummy content so that we do have some products. Okay, so it says this right now. Let's go ahead and let's see our actually website. How is it looking? If I just open up my website, then you can see that my website will be is actually looking like this. Okay, it's totally same. It's totally like this, like how we created. Even though we are using the storefront theme, it doesn't matter because we have actually used the Elementor, and now we have actually designed it accordingly. But you can see that our logo is changed because for the storefront, there might be a different option to actually add a logo. We go to customize, and then we can just go to actually there, and then you can see we've got some options here. Okay, so you can just go ahead and you can just work with it. First of all, I'm just gonna go to site identity, and you can see I've got this logo. You can just add this logo, and then your logo will be done. Okay, anyway, we have to work with the 2017 theme because our main motto is to actually create our website on the basis of the 2017 theme. Okay, we don't have to use any other theme. You can see when we actually go there, and then we actually come back here to the dashboard again, it says design your store, it says apply the storefront home template, and it says add example products. Just uncheck this one, okay, and just check this one, and then hit let's go. Okay, so once you do it, it will actually take you to the customizer of the storefront, and then what you have to do, you have to just hit the publish button, and some of the products will be dummy products will be actually there on your website. Okay, even though if you don't actually get an option for that, don't panic. Okay, go ahead and add yourself the product, because you guys do know how to add products. Okay, so once you can see it's right here. It's just loading the customizer. Okay, what you can do, you can go ahead and you can hit the publish button, and your some of the products will be automatically added to your website. So you can see I hit the publish button, okay, and now you can see that once I just go back to my dashboard, and then I'm gonna view all my products, and you will see there would be just like options for this. So if I just go to all products, then you can see there would be some products that would be actually created by the storefront, and you can see these are right here along with the quantity and along with everything. Okay, so this is how it's working. If I just go ahead and I open up my view store on this this one right here, this one, what we have, the theme, which is actually storefront, then you can see that the theme would look like this. Okay, the theme is actually looking like this, but we will be actually switching to our 2017 theme because we don't want to use anything. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to just go to actually 2017. Okay, and then you have to hit activate, and then you will see that there would be, it would actually work on the basis of 2017 theme. Okay, come up here and refresh this up, and then you can see you've got this 2017 theme right here, and 2017 theme is like this. Okay, so 2017 theme is a bit ugly, and you can see now we got our logo back, we got all our settings back. Okay, we don't have to do anything. We go to shop, and then you can see that the shop is actually looking like a bit ugly. Okay, so don't worry, we will be actually designing our complete shop here. Okay, I'm going to be telling you how you can go ahead and how you can design your shop page, even though how you can go ahead and how you can design your shop category page, and we'll be just designing each and everything. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's get started. So you can see that I open up this product, which is actually, I don't know how to actually pronounce this. So this is right here. This is a product. So we will be creating a template for this. Okay, you can see we've got it like this, and this is actually getting the 2017 theme from here, and this is how it's looking, but we want to change it. Okay, so how we're going to change it, we have to use the Elementor custom template. You have to open this up in a new tab. Okay, and then you have to go down to my templates. So we will be starting up with a single product first, and then we will be working up with the archive of product, and then we will also be working up with the category of product, and so on. So don't worry. Okay, stay calm. First of all, you have to go to Elementor, and then you have to open up the My Template. Okay, and then what you have to do, you have to hit Add New, and you can see it's right here. Now what you have to do, you have to select. Okay, so now you can see you have actually added the WooCommerce, and once you actually install and activate the WooCommerce, you will actually get these things: single product and product archive. In this video, we will be working with a single product, so we're going to select this, and we can just name our template. I'm just going to say it's my single product. You can hit enter, and you will actually be taken to the single product template, and then you can just work with the Elementor builder. So here you can see we've got so many blocks right here that you can use and you can implement them, but we will be designing them ourselves. So what we have to do, we have to just hit cross, and you can see we are right here. Now here we've got some product options. We've got WooCommerce breadcrumbs, we've got product title, we've got product image, product price. Okay, we've got add to cart, product rating, stock, meta, short description, product data tabs, additional information, product related, and then we've got the upsells. Okay, same like this, we've got a list of WooCommerce products, WooCommerce breadcrumbs, custom add to cart, WooCommerce pages, product categories, and menu cart. We need actually these right here. So let's go ahead and let's work with it. First of all, you have to just create a new section. And in this section, we will be creating two columns, because here is going to be our image, and then here is going to be our product title, along with some information about the product. So we're going to be choosing two columns. You can see we've got two columns right here. In the first column, I want the product images. So I'm just going to drag it, and I'm going to drop it right here. And you can see it will actually get the product images. What you can do actually is that you can switch to a something preview. Okay, you can just open up any of the product. If you actually edit this product up, you can see this product is actually called beanie, and these like here. You can just go ahead and you can open up any other product if you actually want to. Okay, but since we don't actually care that which product we get, so we can just go ahead and we can work with any of the product we actually get. So you can see we've got so many right here. So you can just enter the name, and then you can just hit apply and preview, and then you can go ahead and you can move forward. Okay, so I'm just gonna click here, and I'll be actually taken here, and you can see we've got this image right now. So now what we have to do, we have to go and we have to actually get the product title. I'm just gonna drag this product title, and I'm gonna drop it right here. The product title is right here. It says V-neck t-shirt. Okay, you can just design this the way you want. I'm just gonna say I need the color to be actually purple. So I'm just going to select this, and you can see this color is right being applied. Okay, same like this, you can go ahead and you can work up with the typography if you actually want to increase this. You can work with the weight, so the weight should be this much, and our title is ready. Then you can come up here, and you can also just work with this product price, product images, and these right here. But first, I want the WooCommerce breadcrumb. So breadcrumb means that it's going to actually tell you from where is this product coming on. So it's coming from home, t-shirt, and then v-neck t-shirt. T-shirt is basically a category, and then we have the v-neck t-shirt, which is actually a product. So I would highly recommend you to actually go and use this. Okay. Now what you can do, you can go ahead and you can just work with the text color, the link color, and everything. So it should be, I think default is perfect. I'm just going to go to typography. And you can see we've got some letter spacing, so you can also just work with the letter spacing. You can work with some line height. Okay, I'm just going to be choosing the default one. Okay, now you can see it's just looking perfect. You can also work with the weight, so I'm just going to keep it little much lighter. Okay, and you can see the lighter version looks obviously amazing. Now you can go to some advanced tab, and you can also work with the margin and these things. Okay, so you can definitely work with it too. Okay, you can see we've got this so much spacing right here. So I'm just going to apply 0 margin to everything, and I'm just going to apply 0 padding. Okay, same like this. I'm going to just come up here, and I'm just going to go to advanced, and I'm going to apply 0 and 0 padding. So it's still not being applied. So you can see we've got so much of space here. So if you actually want to cater this, what you can do, you can just uncheck this, this v-neck t-shirt, and then you can just add -15. Okay, like -20, -30, and -30 looks perfect, but I will be choosing -50. Okay, now if you just click here, you can see this is how our product is looking. Everything looks pretty cool. Okay, I'm just gonna align this actually image to the center, so we don't have the center alignment. Okay, this is like this, so we cannot pretty well change it. Now what we have to do, we have to come up here, and we have to work with the product rating. So I'm just gonna drag this product rating, and I'm gonna drop it right here. So it's gonna actually tell you how many people have actually rated this product. Okay, you can see nobody has rated this product. That is why it's not coming. You can go to a product that is actually rated. So nobody has rated any of the product right here. Okay, so what we will be doing, we will be actually going ahead and we'll be opening up v-neck shirt. Okay, I'm just gonna view this v-neck shirt, and I'm just gonna rate it myself. Okay, I'm just gonna open up this. I'm just gonna go down. I'm gonna open up the reviews. I'm gonna rate it, and now here I'm just gonna submit best. Okay, I'm just gonna hit submit, and this submission is done, and this product is actually reviewed right now. Now what we have to do, we have to come up here, and we have to refresh it here. Okay, so it says actually that you need to save it. So I'm just gonna save it as draft right now. Okay, just save it as draft, and then what you have to do, you have to come up here, and then you have to refresh. So you can just reload it from here. So once you refresh it, you will be actually right here. Okay, and then you can go ahead and you can just show that the customer review will actually be shown. This was not being shown because we didn't had it before. Okay, so I'm just gonna come up here, and I'm just gonna work with the star color. So star color would definitely be the exact same color that I want. It should be black, and this much. You can align this to center, right, or anywhere you want to, but I think it's perfect. I'm gonna go to advanced, and I'm gonna bring this just a bit above here. So I'm just gonna go to this right here, and I'm gonna say I need it -10. So now it looks pretty well. So now what we have to do, we have to go and we have to add another thing. So that is basically going to be the product price. This is right here. I'm just gonna drag it, and I'm gonna drop it right down below here. So you can see now we do actually get to have the product price as well. So what is the product price here? Okay, this product actually don't have the price. If I just go ahead and I just go to edit product, I have to actually go and I have to add the price as well, so that we can just work with it. I'm just gonna go to the general, and I'm gonna say its regular price is actually $50, and its sale price is $20. I can go ahead and I can hit update, and let's go to inventory. Let's go to manage stock, and let's add that we have 10 in stock. Okay, and you can go ahead and you can hit update again as well. So you can see now we've got this product updated. You can go ahead and you can save this as the draft, and then you can come up here and then you can refresh this up. Okay, so once you actually refresh, you will see that there would be the product price shown there. So it's right here. What we have to do, we have to select this up, and you can see it says this is right here. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to go ahead and we have to just work with the color. So I need the color to be actually purple. The purple is right here being applied. Same like this, you can also work with the sale price that we have. You can change the color, you can work with the typography, you can work with anything right here. I'm just going to work with the typography for the sale price, and I want to increase it. Okay, and what I want, you can also just use it like stacked. So it's going to be like one here and the other here, but I don't want it like this. You can also work with the spacing. So I'm just going to use the default spacing that I have, and then it's totally done right here. Okay, so you can also align this to center, but center, I don't think so if it looks good. Now we are also done with the pricing. So now what you can do, you can go ahead and you can click here, and then you can work with the product stock. So if it is in stock or not. Okay, and you can also work with the product short description. So you can show your short description right here, and your short description will be coming up here. So I believe we don't also have the short description. So I'm just going to come up here and I'm just going to add it. Hey, I am a short and so you can see now this short description is also coming dynamically from the database. You can just click here, you can align this to center anywhere you want, and you can just work with it. I'm just going to keep this short description color a bit low so that I can see that it is a description. Okay, now what you can do, you can add some more information. I'm just going to be adding the product add to cart button. Okay, you can also work with the product stock. You can also work with these right here, but these information can be shown down below. So I'm just going to say I need an add to cart button, and I can just show it here. You can see this add to cart button is right here, and now you've got this style and you've got everything. You can just align this to center or anywhere you want to. I'm just going to say that I need the typography for this button to be actually, so you can see that this button is almost ready. You can go ahead and you can work with the border radius. So I'm just going to say that I need the border radius to be 5 pixels on both sides. So now it's a bit curved. Now we've got this totally done. You can work with the coloring of this. So I'm just going to say that I need the background color to be actually purple. Okay, and it's perfect right now. Okay, so now we've got the hover color. So if someone hovers over it, you can change the background to actually green or anything you want. Okay, so it totally depends. I don't think so if green looks good, so I'm just going to change it to a bit light version of purple. Or a darker one. And I think it's just looking good. So now we are totally done with this button. So you can go ahead and you can work with the quantity. So this is right here. You can work with the quantity of right here, like the spacing that you want. I'm just going to keep it right here. And then we've got the typography, we've got this border type, we've got this border radius, and we've got this right here. Okay, so I don't think so if there is much things that we need to change it right here in our quantity box. So we'll be just leaving it. Same like this, we have the variations tab. So you guys already know about the variation, like if there is medium shirt, if there is large shirt options, you can show them here. Okay, let me just go ahead and let me save this as draft and let me show it to you right now. So you guys do know about the variation products, so you can go select the variable product, and then you can go to actually attributes and you can do it. So you can see now we also get to have these options right here that we actually added it from the variation. Okay, you can go ahead and you can work with this variation right here, and you can design this the way you want. Okay, you can work with the spacing. Okay, so you can see we've got some spacing right here. You can also work with the space between. Okay, you can also work with the label color. So I'm just going to change this to as purple. Okay, and there we have the select field. So it's just like the border color that you want. So you can also choose a black border right here if you actually want to. Okay, or you can just remove this border completely. Okay, so these are the things that you can do. Same like this, you can work with the color, you can work with the background color as well. Okay, so it totally depends how you want it to design. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to go and we have to work, we can also work with the border radius as well. Okay, and you can see it's totally done. And this is how everything is working right here. So you can just click here and you can see this is how your product is looking. So how was the product looking before, and now how is it totally changed? If I just click view this product, then you can just differentiate that how this product was looking before and how is it looking right now. So this is much aligned, this is much looking better, and this is just like amazing. Same like this, you can work with this, so medium, small, or anything, and you can clear this as well. Okay, so it will not work because we are actually in the Elementor page builder. Now what we have to do, we have to work with our next thing that can be just like description, additional information, reviews, and related products and these things. So we'll be working up with it. You can click here and you can see you are right here. Then what you can do, you can just click here and you can see we've got so many options here. So I'm just going to be creating a new section. Okay, and this section will be having just like description, additional information, reviews, and then related products and these things. So I think I should be adding 2 columns. And in the first column, I want to show the product data tabs. Okay, so in the product data tabs, you can show just like description, additional information, and reviews. And in the next one, what you can do, you can show the related products. Okay, so in the related products, the next one you can see, we've got the related products right here as well. Okay, so you can see it says products per page, columns, these right here, order by, and then we've got this style right here. So you can also just style them. Okay, you can see we've got this button right here. So this actually doesn't look like it's a button being used. So what you can do, you can go ahead and you can work with this right here. You can work with the background color. You can give it like this. You can go with the text color to be like this. Okay, same like this, you can work with the typography. So this is right here, and in here you can give it some line height. You don't have to give the line height, but you can give the text padding. So just give it 25 pixels. It should be 10 pixels and 5 pixels. So it looks pretty cool. I'm just gonna say it should be 8 pixels, and it should be 10 pixels from all the sides, the border radius. So you can see now we've got this button aligned as well. Same like this, you can work with view card. So once you actually just add it to the card, a view card option will be there. So you can just work with that too as well. Same like this, you can work with the heading, you can work with the box, and you can work with everything that we have in here. You can even align these to centers. Okay, so you can do pretty well anything. Let's go ahead and let's work with this heading. I'm just gonna align this heading to actually also the center. And then here we've got the color. So I'm gonna change this to actually this as well. And typography, weight, 300, and this is right here done as well. And we've got this box right here. So in this box, you can work with the border radius. Okay, and then we've got this box shadow, background color, and then we've got the sale flash as well. So since none of the products are in sale, that is why the sale flash is not coming. Okay, and this is how you can actually go ahead and you can work with it. Now what we have to do is that you can go ahead and you can just get the product stock information, and you can show it right above the price. Okay, so it's just going to tell you how many are in stock and these like here. So it's going to be appearing. So let's see if we have actually added the, let me edit this product, and you can see that I'm just going to show only two are left in. So I'm just going to come up here. I'm just going to go to inventory. The managed stock should be there. Okay, so just gonna hit manage stock, and you can see we've got this gen stock quantity. So I'm just gonna say that I have only 20. I'm just gonna hit update. Okay, and let's go ahead and let's just save it and let's refresh this up. Okay, so I actually added this. I don't know where it was gone. Basically, I changed this from single product to actually variable product. That is why it is actually now here. So if I just go ahead and I just refresh this up, then you will see that the product beta for this, like how many are in stock, will also be appearing. So now we have actually designed our product page as well. Okay, congratulations guys. In the next video, we will be working up with our product page. Okay, products. So let's go ahead, and what we have to do is that we have to go and we have to publish this up. Okay, so I'm just gonna hit publish, and it's gonna say add condition. I'm just gonna hit add condition, and it's just gonna tell you that where you want to show this. So you can show it on all products, or you can show it on some simple category that you have. So you can create some themes, some template for different categories, but I'm just gonna say that I would like to have it on all products, and you can just go ahead and you can hit publish. That's all you have to do. You can see now your actually product page is totally done. So you can just have a look at this, okay? And you can see it's just gonna actually redirect you there, and you can see this is how it's working. So now what we have to do, we have to go and we have to work with our shop page. So I'm just going to actually tell you how you can go ahead and how you can work with your own shop page. So basically this is how it's looking. In the single products, it's just not looking perfect. So you can just come up here and you can refresh this up, and you can see this is how it's looking. Okay, you've got additional information, you've got reviews, and you've got this right here. You can choose it, and then you can add to cart. Congratulations guys. In the next video, we will be working up with all the product archive.